In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for content calendar. To get started, log into your monday.com account and head into the workspace where you want to manage your planning. Your workspace is the main area that holds your boards and projects, so this is where your content calendar will live and stay organized with the rest of your team's work. Once you're in the right workspace, click the plus button beside the workspace name. This is how you create something new. From there, create a new board that will serve as your content calendar. When prompted, enter a clear name for the board so it's easy to recognize later. A simple, descriptive name works best, especially if you manage content across multiple campaigns or channels. Now you can begin building the structure of your calendar. Add items to the board to represent each individual piece of content. Each item can be a blog post, social media post, video, email, or any other content asset you're planning. In the first column, enter the content title so each item is easy to identify at a glance. Next, add a date column to track publishing dates. This is important because it gives your calendar a timeline and helps you stay on schedule. After that, add a status column so you can track where each piece of content is in the production process. For example, this can help you monitor whether something is still being planned, actively in progress, or ready to publish. You'll also want to add a people column to assign content owners. This makes responsibility clear and helps prevent confusion, especially when several people are contributing to the same calendar. If needed, add any extra columns that support your workflow, such as content type, platform, or priority. These fields make it easier to filter, sort, and manage your plan. Once your board is set up, start entering your planned content into it. Add the publishing date for each item, and make sure every piece has the right owner and details filled in. As work moves forward, update the status regularly so the board reflects real progress. Keeping this updated is what turns a simple board into a reliable planning tool. When your content is scheduled, switch to the calendar view to see everything by date. This view is especially useful for spotting gaps, overlaps, or busy publishing days. Review upcoming content directly from the calendar and use it to manage your schedule more visually. As plans change, update content details right inside the board so your calendar stays accurate and useful. Thanks for watching.